Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe XD for UX design. First, launch Adobe XD and select a new artboard size, perhaps for a mobile phone or a web page. You will find various preset dimensions available. Next, use the intuitive design tools on the left panel to start drawing shapes, adding text, and importing images. This initial setup is crucial for laying the groundwork of your user interface. Once your design elements are in place, switch to the Prototype tab. Here, you can connect your artboards to simulate user interactions. Simply drag a wire from an element on one artboard to another artboard to create a transition. You can specify the type of transition, like a slide or dissolve, and its duration. Then, click the play button to preview your interactive prototype on your computer or a connected device. Adobe XD offers powerful features to streamline your workflow. Components allow you to create reusable elements like buttons or navigation bars, ensuring consistency across your entire project. If you modify a master component, all instances update automatically. The Repeat Grid feature lets you duplicate elements, such as a list of items, with just a few clicks, and easily adjust their spacing and content. These tools save you significant time. Finally, sharing your work is effortless. You can publish your prototype as a web link, allowing stakeholders to view and comment directly on your designs from any browser. For team projects, invite collaborators to co-edit the same file in real time, enhancing productivity. When your design is approved, easily export assets in various formats, such as PNG or SVG, for developers to implement. This ensures a smooth handover process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.